A big hello here at the LITBLINDS store YouTube channel. Sign UP online, get 50% off, and enjoy free shipping. Best ideas for printed roller blinds printed. Roller blinds offer a sophisticated and versatile solution for enhancing the aesthetic appeal of any space. These blinds serve as functional window coverings while simultaneously transforming a room into a personalized and visually captivating environment. The beauty of printed roller blinds lies in their ability to seamlessly integrate custom designs, patterns, and images, allowing individuals to express their unique style and preferences. Whether it's a scenic landscape, abstract artwork, or a cherished photograph, the possibilities are virtually limitless. The high-quality printing technology ensures vivid and durable images, adding a touch of artistry to the functional aspect of window treatments. Beyond their aesthetic value, printed roller blinds also provide practical benefits such as light control, privacy, and insulation. They can be easily operated and adjusted to suit varying lighting conditions, making them an ideal choice for both residential and commercial spaces. With their ability to combine form and function, printed roller blinds stand out as a versatile and stylish window treatment option that effortlessly elevates the overall ambience of any room. Furthermore, printed roller blinds are crafted with attention to detail and precision, utilizing advanced materials that ensure longevity and resilience. The fabric options for these blinds are often chosen for their durability, UV resistance, and easy maintenance, making them a practical choice for busy households or high-traffic areas. The printing process itself employs cutting-edge technology, resulting in sharp, high-definition images that retain their vibrancy over time. This level of detail makes these blinds an excellent medium for showcasing intricate designs or reproducing artworks with utmost accuracy. These blinds cater to a diverse range of interior design themes, seamlessly blending into modern, minimalist, or eclectic settings. The customizable nature of printed roller blinds allows homeowners, interior designers, and businesses to align their window coverings with specific color schemes, branding, or thematic elements, ensuring a cohesive and harmonious visual appeal. Moreover, the versatility of these blinds extends beyond traditional window use. They can also be utilized as room dividers or even as decorative elements in larger interior spaces, adding an extra layer of functionality. Installation and operation of printed roller blinds are user-friendly, offering convenience and adaptability. The easy-to-use mechanisms ensure smooth functionality, allowing for precise control over light filtration and privacy levels. As an eco-friendly option, many printed roller blinds are also available in sustainable materials, contributing to a more environmentally conscious approach to interior design. In summary, printed roller blinds effortlessly merge artistry, functionality, and sustainability, making them a standout choice for those seeking a dynamic and personalized window treatment solution. Additionally, the versatility of printed roller blinds extends to their ability to serve as an impactful branding or promotional tool for businesses. Corporate logos, promotional messages, or product images can be seamlessly integrated into the design, turning windows into captivating advertising spaces. This makes them an innovative and cost-effective marketing strategy, creating a unique visual identity that leaves a lasting impression on clients and visitors. The functionality of printed roller blinds also extends to their light filtering capabilities, allowing individuals to regulate the amount of natural light entering a room. This not only contributes to energy efficiency but also creates a comfortable and adaptable living or working environment. With the ability to diffuse harsh sunlight or provide blackout options for complete darkness, these blinds offer practical solutions for various lighting requirements, enhancing both the comfort and functionality of any space. Furthermore, printed roller blinds are available in a range of sizes, providing a solution for windows of different dimensions. Whether it's a small bathroom window or a large panoramic view, these blinds can be tailored to fit ensuring a cohesive and well-designed look throughout the entire living or working space. The ease of customization, coupled with a vast array of design possibilities, makes printed roller blinds an ideal choice for those looking to make a bold statement with their window treatments. In conclusion, printed roller blinds seamlessly blend creativity with functionality, offering a visually striking and practical window treatment solution. From personalized home decor to innovative branding strategies for businesses, these blinds provide an avenue for self-expression, style, and efficiency in one versatile package. Moreover, printed roller blinds contribute to a more sustainable and eco-conscious living or working environment. Many manufacturers prioritize eco-friendly materials and printing processes, aligning with the growing demand for environmentally responsible choices. By opting for printed roller blinds, individuals can participate in sustainable design practices, reducing their carbon footprint and promoting a greener lifestyle. The use of energy-efficient fabrics and materials also enhances the overall energy performance of buildings, aligning with contemporary sustainability standards. The durability and resistance of printed roller blinds to wear and tear make them a cost-effective investment. Unlike traditional window coverings, these blinds maintain their visual appeal and functionality for an extended period, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This not only saves money in the long run but also minimizes the environmental impact associated with the production and disposal of short-lived window treatments. In terms of maintenance, printed roller blinds are designed for easy care and cleaning. The materials used are often resistant to stains, dust, and fading, ensuring that the blinds maintain their pristine appearance with minimal effort. This user-friendly maintenance aspect further adds to the appeal of these blinds, making them a practical choice for busy households and commercial spaces where time is of the essence. In summary, printed roller blinds not only offer a canvas for artistic expression and functional window coverings but also align with contemporary values of sustainability, durability, and ease of maintenance. Whether it's for a residential home, office space, or retail establishment, these blinds provide a holistic solution that caters to diverse needs while contributing to a more eco-conscious and visually appealing living or working environment. Beyond their aesthetic and functional benefits, printed roller blinds provide an added layer of insulation to spaces. The materials used in these blinds often have thermal properties that help regulate indoor temperatures. This insulation capability can contribute to energy efficiency by reducing the reliance on heating or cooling systems, ultimately lowering energy bills. In colder seasons, the blinds act as a barrier to prevent heat loss, while in warmer months, they can help block out excess heat from the sun. This thermal efficiency enhances the overall comfort of a room, creating a more sustainable and energy-conscious living or working environment. Printed roller blinds also offer a degree of sound insulation, helping to minimize external noise. This is particularly beneficial for homes or offices located in busy urban areas, close to traffic, or in commercial districts. By dampening outside sounds, these blinds contribute to a quieter and more peaceful indoor atmosphere, fostering concentration, relaxation, or a better night's sleep. Additionally, the customization options for printed roller blinds extend.
Lit Blinds required professionals for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online or free shipping. Lit Blinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Dubai. Lit Blinds provide free shipping and get 50% off in each countries. Order quickly to save your amount. Contact US Canada 514-826-5278 and USA 254-708 6262. Or email islitblinds@gmail.com. LITBLINDS. Store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments, and share.